The finest antique car heaven, Star Road S30Z edition. Star Road Inoue-san, an antique car maniac, Akira. So, this is Video Option Project. This is S30Z. It's the 30-year anniversary for Video Option 2. That's great. 30Z for its 30 years anniversary. This car is popular not only in Japan but everywhere in the world. Your car looks like a new car. I really wanted to ride this car. I saw it at the auto salon, but I didn't tell anyone that I wanted to ride it. However, Video Option brought this project to me. It was very luck. It was by luck. Video Option gets good ones sometimes. It is like a miracle that Star Road 30Z appears on Video Option. Daijiro Inada will be impressed too. So, you make everything by hand. Is this car almost completely handmade? Yes. It's looking cool. It looks new, doesn't it? It's not vulgar. It has an elegant charm. It makes Fair Lady's beautiful curves stand out. Which part was the hardest to make? That would be everything. I cut the bottom half off. These fenders and the bumper too? I cut off all the iron parts and fixed them. I'm just losing money. This car wasn't so expensive back then. Now it costs around 10 to 15 million yen. This is the finest, made by Star Road. Made by Inoue, 30Z. I would love to try it. Starting the test drive. Now I'm gonna try Star Road. It was amazing! This L engine is the ultimate. It makes everyone excited. The strong engine is kind of like boiling up from the ground. The engine side's mechanical sound is also nice. I enjoyed it very much. It makes me want to stay on the road. The 30Z was very comfortable. This car is wonderful, I love it. I didn't know I could ride it till today. I saw it today and wondered who would ride it. Then I found out it was brought by Video Option. Besides my own 86 project, this project was the best project I've ever done in a long history with Video Option. This car is great for everyday riding and also for circuits. There are new cars like F something, Honda's L something. There are many expensive cars. This old car shows me the fun in controlling a car by myself. Basically, makers understand it. A driver holds the steering wheels and steps on the gas, brakes, clutch, and shift, then it starts running. The image becomes reality. I truly feel this is a car made by a genuine maker. I'm very thankful for Video Option and Inoue-san today. Video Option staff haven't visited your store yet. They are rude guys. Is it okay to visit? Of course. You sure? There are Video Option. Star Road appearing on video should cost more than 3,000 yen, not Option Video which costs only 980 yen. Hey, it's 2,000 yen. Edogaraku, Tokyo. So, Video Option came to Star Road. L-type engine has been great engine. It can be heavily tuned. And also tuned to aim for comfort ride. Basically, any racer can ride it. It's easy to drive. It won't be any less than other sports cars like there. It's very fast and also easy to ride. Including the body, I want to make cars that can be great for everyday driving and also for circuits. It all starts from choosing a good base car, then order things to fix in priority, and he will restore it and tune. The basic concept of Star Road is to make antique cars that everyone can enjoy. 44 pi carburetor goes over 300 horsepower for sure. This is quite an interesting engine. It's fast anyway. How many cars have you at Star Road made in these 25 years? Around 100? Nah, only a few cars a year. Really? There are some makers who rush and cheat. I know. It's different from how it looks outside. You are serious inside. I don't want to make any so-so cars. This car is even more professional looking than the Nissan original. I polished all the hidden parts. You really shouldn't show it to Video Option. They don't get it. Like, while we're talking here, he's turning on the engine over there. While their conversation heats up, something happens. Dai-chan is calling. Let me talk to him. Dai-chan? Hello? Hello? This is Akira. Akira was very happy to meet 30Z. Z was looking cool at Wangan. Inoue himself drives for the setup. Someone wanted to do this finest test drive. Wild Locomotive, Daijiro Inada. What is the concept of this car? I wanted to keep the goodness of the antique car. I wanted to keep the goodness of an antique car and develop the weak side. Doesn't it make a car strong? No. The soul of the car is kept within the carburetor. The soul of antique cars are the style and the carburetor. The whole image is an antique. Suspension. Suspension needs to be renewed.
今風にしないと
It doesn't mean that I renewed everything.
変えてしまうんじゃなくて、はい、
What is the first thing you do?
ボディをしっかりと元の
It is to bring the body back to the original sawing
位
position
置まで最初そうです
and make it stronger.
現代の車
I bring it to the present car's strength. This engine has quite a bit power.
ちゃんとセッティングする
It can go up to 360 horsepower. 360 horsepower was unbelievable back then. It used to be so hard to get big horsepower with a carburetor.
ターボないですからね
There was no turbo then.
もうクランク
I used 85 millimeters crank
で、まあそれで排気量は
to enlarge the displacement.
ビッグバルブですね、はい、
And I used argon and big bulb. The same tuning as old times. And you tuned port and the carburetor. Yes, 50 pi. It selects. Is it comfortable to ride? Yes, it is. It's comfortable to ride. It's 360 horsepower. Even if you ride it for the first time, it's not hard to handle. And also, you can enjoy the goodness of the antique car. I will show you the ability of present 30Z, starting the test drive. I would say not the power, but I can feel torque.
そうですね、はい、
Piston is 89 pi. Piston 89, displacement 3.2. You fixed the entire engine? Yes, I did. It's comfortable, isn't it? What I'm most surprised by is the suspension and handling. These feel so easy. I want this one over other sports cars out there. Talking about comfortableness, people would imagine soft and normal untuned cars. The comfortableness of tuned car is totally different. The suspension is hard but great for absorbing shocks. It's hard but it feels good. That's the great fun of tuning cars. People think normal cars are the best, but that's not right. That's no fun. The more you tune, you create a fresh ride. I want people to experience that. I'm praising your car too much, but it's so true. The wild locomotive is satisfied. All I can say is, yes, the boss is happy. I can't explain in words. It's got good taste. It's smooth and comfortable. It's hard but smooth. It's perfectly tuned up. He didn't just strengthen everywhere. He strengthened part by part as necessary, leaving the whole body smooth with matching suspension. That's the key. This must be the best. Really. I have driven many cars in my life. This 30 is great. This is good because it's perfectly tuned. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the taste of 30Z today. What do you want to do in the future for the next one? You find what you want to do during the process of making? Yes. The 30Z will survive in the future. That's amazing. It was made in the 70s. The charm of antique car is limitless. And there's a future. Please enjoy it. This is a great car. Comfortableness can be made. It's hard to believe that these machines were born 50 years ago. Made without compromise with soul. Produce the finest machines.